Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how to do man in the middle on Kali Linux using Ethercup. So I'm on my Kali Linux machine here, and in order for us to open Ethercup, we have two options. You can open it from the terminal, or we can use the application option here. You just go here, click on this, and then scroll down until you get to sniffing and spoofing. And then you want to select Ethercup graphical. You need to put in your password. And this is the GUI for Ethercup. The other way is through the terminal. Just open the terminal and type in sudo Ethercup hyphen uppercase G for graphical. Then again, put in your password. And here you are. You have your Ethercup application open. I'll close this one. Let's clear this. You can also check the version here. You can just say Ethercup version, and this is the version right here. Let me reopen it. So I reopened the Ethercup graphical app. Okay, now the first thing we need to do here is select our settings for the setup. So it's saying sniffing at startup. So we'll go with that. And then you have to select your primary interface. I only have it 0, so I'm gonna go with the defaults here. I'm not using bridge sniffing. So if you're satisfied with this, click on this to accept. And down here, you should see it say that it's starting unified sniffing. If you scroll up, you'll see it's listening on this it's 0. Then it's showing the IP address and MAC address. Now, we'll need to scan for the hosts on this network. And then we'll need to select target for the man in the middle. Now, this icon right here can scan for the host. And then you also have an option here. If you click on this menu, you have an option that says hosts. If you click on it, you can scan. And then you should do a quick scan on your network or subnet. And once it's done, it's going to tell you how many hosts were found. Now, in order for us to list the hosts, you can go back here to the menu, hosts, and then host list. And these are the 4 IPs that were found within our subnet. So this is the .4 is the default gateway, and we'll have this our target. This is going to be our target. It's a Linux Mint machine. So I'll select it, and then I'm going to add it to target 1. Okay, so it's saying that it's been added. I'm going to select the default gateway and add it to target 2, and it's been added as well. Back to the menu here, we can go to target, current targets, and they should list them, target 1 and target 2. Now that we have that set up, the next thing to do is to come to this icon, the MITM menu. This should list for us the available options. The one we're going to use is the first one here for app. So just click on it to select it. This window is going to pop up. So these are optional parameters. So these are the options that are presented to us. So I'm gonna go with the default to sniff remote connections. So I'm gonna click OK. So we have group 1 and group 2. So everything now is set. Let's see if we can actually do a man in the middle on the target, which is this one. And like I said, it's a Linux Mint machine. So I'll open it. Let me go ahead and confirm the IP address here. So this is the terminal. I can do IP address. And as you can see, this is the IP 172.16.1.102, which matches what we have here. Okay, so I'll go back to that target device. And now we'll try and open a page and see if we can capture that information on the Kali Linux machine that's doing the sniffing. Okay, we'll go ahead and minimize this terminal. I'll open Firefox browser. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna go to a page that we can use for testing. So this is just for testing and for educational purposes. It's got links here, a few links that we can test. So these are test websites. If you scroll down, you see where it says that we can use these applications to understand how programming and configuration errors can lead to security issues. Also, we can use this for penetration testing or for educational purposes. So you can use this to learn different concepts such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and so on. So let's click on this second option here. Once we click on that link, we'll get to this page. Let's go with this option. Let's type in anything you want here. I'll type inner, and then I'll put test, and then I'll click on this. Don't save. Now I'll go back to Kali Linux machine, and as you can see at the bottom, we have the this line here showing the content from the Linux Mint machine. So that tells us that we are able to do man in the middle. So that's it for this demo. I hope you found this to be useful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.